Today I'm going to show you how to add readme.md file to your GitHub profile so you can make it look professional like this. So let's get started. First, go to your GitHub profile page, click on this plus icon in the top right corner, click on new repository. Name the repo exactly the same as your GitHub username because it's case sensitive. GitHub says that it is a special repo that you can use to add a readme to your GitHub profile, and you have to make sure it's public and you have to initialize it with a readme to get started. So you have to make sure its visibility is set to public, and then add a readme file to it and click on the create repo button. Once the repo is created, click on this pencil icon to edit this readme.md file. GitHub gives us this template markdown. You can edit this to write about yourself, your skills, and you can even add images, videos and GIFs. And you can also use ChatGPT to generate the markdown for you, or you can Google for GitHub profile readme generator. I've already generated the markdown for my profile. I'm just copying and pasting it here. If you want to see the changes before saving, click on this preview button. Once you are done, click on this commit changes button, comment the changes, and then visit your GitHub profile page, and you will see this readme file is showing on your profile page. And if you want this exact same markdown that I'm using for my profile, comment your email and I'll send it over to you.